In this video, I'll show you how to get a student discount on Shein app. So to be eligible for the Shein student discount, you must meet a few requirements. So firstly, you must be a currently enrolled student in a recognized educational institutions. And secondly, you must provide proof of enrollment such as a student ID card, transcript or tuition receipt. Finally, you must be over the age of 16. And it's essential to note that Shein verifies your enrollment. So make sure you have your student ID or other necessary documents ready. And the Shein student discount offers 15% off for eligible students. So however, there are certain items that the discount does not apply to, such as gift cards and sales items, and how to sign up for the Shein student discount. So first of all, go to the Shein's website, and it is www.shein.com, and then you have to create an account. You have to click on the register button in the top right corner of the page and follow the instructions to create your account. Then you have to verify your eligibility. After you have created your account, navigate to the student discount page on Shein's website. You can find the link to the student discount page in the footer of the website. Under the student discount section, click on the link and follow the instructions to verify your eligibility. So once you have verified your eligibility, you will receive a unique discount code that you can use to get your discount at checkout. You can also find your discount code in the My Account section of Shein's website. And finally, it's time to start shopping at Shein. Add your favorite items to your shopping cart and apply your student discount code at checkout. You should see your discount reflected in your order total. So here's how you can get a student discount on Shein. And thank you.